Given the time of year, with North America gearing up with seeding intentions, we thought it was important to discuss weather and current weather environment and how that plays as a market factor moving forward from here. We've heard a lot of talk about obviously the market impact from drought last year in the U.S., the impact that had on prices, corn, soybeans, wheats, and minor crops as well. Looking to Western Canada, we didn't necessarily have that same drought condition to drive values higher, but the influence of the U.S. Overrides and certainly has an influence from a Western Canadian perspective. So again, looking at current conditions in the U.S. and the importance going forward, we've seen a dramatic improvement in moisture conditions east of the Mississippi River in the U.S. And USDA, or NOAA, National Oceanographic Agency in the U.S., has come out with some predictions that suggest those conditions will continue to improve. However, there will be a moderate to extreme drought condition lasting in through late May. And so while it is important today to monitor those conditions, it is not necessarily a significant market moving factor today. And it's important to remember that both from a U.S. Price influence and from a Western Canadian price influence. Bringing it more regional to Western Canada, we had some dry conditions throughout southern parts of the prairies over the past growing season. We've also had a lot of wet conditions in northern Saskatchewan and other regions throughout Western Canada, northeastern Manitoba, northern Saskatchewan, and in through Alberta, parts of Alberta. We've had significant snowfall, as is all the buzz as of late. We're all tired of winter conditions and certainly would like spring to come along. But once again, don't know how that plays out. Is it a fast thaw? Is it a slow thaw? What does that mean for overland flooding? One thing that I've been doing here at FarmLink is trying to determine how much frost is in the ground. That's a key component to my mind, or to our minds, and how does that water disperse? And does it leave a trail of destruction behind, or is it gone? So there doesn't appear to be a lot of frost in the ground. Hopefully that's a great absorption rate into the drier regions. One thing, that the sun is very powerful and becoming very powerful at this time of the year. So hopefully once we blacken up those soils, the soil will warm quickly and we'll be able to get a seeding program started relatively quick. So again, not a significant market factor today, but certainly bears watching.